I want to make a quick video to show you how easy it is to install the MindStudio Chrome extension into your computer so that it's super handy. So really you're just going to come to Google, go to the Chrome store, right? And when you get to Chrome Web Store, make sure you're signed in, right? So that it knows where you are. And then it says up here, search extensions and themes. So we're going to do that. We're going to search for MindStudio and it'll just pop up. You click on it. Mine's already installed, but basically you're just going to hit install and then follow the prompts and that's it. So that's your MindStudio. You can come in here, you can remove it from Chrome, you can add it from Chrome, whatever the case may be. But this gives you, once you have a MindStudio account, which you definitely want to sign up with our link because we're going to send you some AI prompts and give you an opportunity to really work with us building literally life-changing AI agents that are going to make your life so much easier. So but anyway, this is some information on MindStudio. It's a little bit much. All you want to do is add it to your Chrome bar, and then it's up here. So, I have, here's all my extensions. I've got lots of extensions. So when you come in here, you can pin it or you can unpin it. If you unpin it, it comes out of here. If you pin it, it comes back up. So this is, should be like a little puzzle piece or something. And that's how you see what your web Chrome extensions are. And then you just pull it up. And when you pull it up, you can access all of your agents. We have hundreds of agents. So we've been working with a lot of different stuff on here. But this is how you would pull it up. And some of the most fun things to do would be to analyze content. So if you went to a blog, let's say IV hydration blog, right? There's a lot of fun things that you could do. This is a little scary because I'm going to pick something at random here. So, all right, so 10 reasons to add IV hydration to your therapy, or to your routine. I go up here, and then I could ask, I can see what agents are available, and I could say, what, why don't you summarize this for me? And then I can run the summarizer, and it's going to go through and summarize the article for me. So if you have something a little bit more complicated, perhaps you could really work with this particular agent. All right, hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.